to all of you. Today we are going to see test paper number 4, page 77, that is question number 5. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blanks. In 1250 BC, the Greeks and Trojans, now in Turkey, were at war because Helen, the beautiful wife of a Greek king, had run away with Paris, the prince of Troy. The Trojan refused to send Helen back, so the Greeks attacked Troy. However, Troy was surrounded by high walls and the Greeks were unable to get in. For 10 long years they tried but never managed to break down the walls. Finally, one of their leaders, Ulysses, came up with a tricky plan. They built a huge wooden horse on wheels in which some men could hide in, and left it at the gates of Troy. The Trojan thought the horse was a Greek idol and pulled it into the city. In the middle of the night, the hidden Greek soldier climbed out of the horse and opened the gates for the other soldiers. They destroyed the city and took Helen back to Greece. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word, that is preposition. Number 1. She could not put up with his violent temper. I have given up the idea of learning Japanese. The policeman ran after the thief. Amit refused the job at first, but he soon came round and accepted the offer. Don't look down upon the poor. A car broke down in the middle of the expressway, causing a traffic jam. The inquiry officer is trying to get at the facts. His lack of punctuality will be held against him. Now let's see some more preposition. Agree with. Agree with somebody about or on something. He agreed with them about the need for change. I agree with her analysis of the situation. Take somebody aback, to shock or surprise somebody very much. Take after somebody means to look or behave like an older member. To follow somebody quickly. I was afraid that if I started running, the man would take after me. The next, take against. To start not liking somebody or something for no clear reason. Then take somebody or something apart. To defeat somebody easily in a game or competition. To criticize somebody or something severely. Take something apart. Dismantle. To separate a machine. Take something away. To make a feeling, pain, etc. I was given pills to take away the pain. Then take somebody back, to allow somebody such as husband or wife to come home after they have left because of a problem. The next is your take somebody back to make somebody remember something. The smell of the sea took him back to his childhood. The next, take something back, to return, to admit that something you said was wrong or that you should not have said it. Take something down, that is to remove a structure. To pull down a piece of clothing worn below the waist, to write down something. Then take in somebody, to allow somebody to stay in at home. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. Pull the chain, the train will stop. The train will stop if you pull the chain. Number 2, what did she say? This was it. This was what she said. Then number 3, I have completed my studies. I am looking for a job. Having completed my studies, I am looking for a job. We can travel by bus, we can travel by train. We can travel by bus or by train. Now rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given after each. Make the changes that may be necessary, but do not change the meaning of each sentence. He was unpopular due to his arrogance. He was unpopular because he was arrogant. Then Rima dressed up and then had her breakfast. After dressing up, Rima had her breakfast. The little girl hid herself so that she might not be seen. Use lest. Whenever you are using lest, you have to use should. The little girl hid herself lest she should be seen. Then the officer examined the documents carefully. The officer examined the document with care. Then how beautiful the sunset looks today, said Neelam. Neelam exclaimed that the sunset looked beautiful that day. I had not missed any match for 2 years. The last I had the match was 2 years back. Nobody in the world, you can write down this, that is, nobody in the world can sing as melodiously as Beena. Beena is the most melodious singer in the world. You will not get camera back unless you pay the money. Not until you pay the money you will get the camera back. John is very handsome, but he is not very clever. John isn't as clever as handsome. That's all, and have a nice day. Thank you.